Tamil Nadu, you will have to speak Tamil. But I think here, is there anyone who speak Tamil? I think you don't know how to speak Tamil. So naturally, if your children want to study in Tamil Nadu, they will have to speak Tamil. But it is not possible because we have not learned Tamil. So we have to speak English. English is the only language that fills the bridge between two states in India. If we go to Kerala, we have to speak Malayalam, but nobody knows Malayalam. And even the people who are living in Tamil Nadu, they don't know Malayalam. So English becomes the prominent language of India. And it is very important for the students. Last time I was in Mumbai before the lockdown. I was there as a voice and accent trainer, and I found out that the students who were studying in MBBS college, they from Madhya Pradesh, two students met me in Mumbai and they were doing MBBS, and they told me that, sir, we attend the lecture but we find ourselves unable to speak English or they understand English. Why? Because whenever they study here, they did not get the clear idea about English. As the best English, many people here have explained that why do they not learn English? What is the reason? Because they get only the theory. That is the reason I joined Best English Limited on this day. I am telling about myself. I started teaching English in 1993. Okay, in Mumbai, I started teaching as a voice and accent trainer, and then I moved from one place to another, from Mumbai to Pune, Ahmedabad, and many cities of our country. But I found out the same part, whatever is available in the Best English Limited. So, Best English Limited teaches us the practical part of English. That is not taught anywhere in English medium schools. I have taught in many schools also, but I have found out they can read English. They can read English. They can write English well, they can understand English, just you are able to understand what I am speaking. But is there anybody who can come to the stage and can talk to me? I think there may be 4 or 5 candidates here. Is there anyone who can come here and talk to me? It's very difficult to find. Even in Mumbai, what are you thinking that in Multai it is not possible? If you go to Mumbai and Pune and Ahmedabad, you will find the same situation there. Because the system of education in English medium is same everywhere in India. So there is everything, but one thing is missing, that the students are not able to speak English very well. So English is very important not only in India but in other parts of the world also. Just for example, when the doctors in the medical field organizing the conference in China, what do you think? Will they speak in Chinese? No, they will speak in English. The medical conference is being organized in China. They will not speak in Chinese. They will speak in English. Japan, if that they are organizing in Japan, they will have to speak in English, or Russia, or any part of the world. So English is very common language, and we must be extremely fluent in English. Aviation. In aviation industries, if suppose you are going from Mumbai to Moscow, or the pilot is taking the aeroplane, then how will he talk in the people there in Russia, in the airport? He will talk only in English, not in Russian. So English is one of the most important and the commonest languages of the world, and it provides you a platform where you can grow. Only English. There are several languages, but they are not as important as English. Suppose you meet a person who speaks Russian. Will you get impressed? I think you will not get impressed. If somebody is speaking Japanese, Chinese, you will not get impressed. But someone is speaking in English, you will just start listening. Because English is considered to be the most stylish language of the world. That is also the reason that it has become common language all over the world. And my own experience I am telling you. I was working in Pune and Mumbai, Ahmedabad and many cities. But every time I was getting the double salary. My salary was 55,000. Those who were working with me, they were getting 25 and 30,000. I was getting 55,000. Why? Because I was able to express my ideas in English. This was only the reason. This was only the reason. I am not good at mathematics, I am not good at social science or anything else, but I can express my ideas in English. That's why I got double salary all the time, everywhere. So, my dear friends, it is a great opportunity for you to join Best English Limited. Why? Because next thing I am telling you, the method of learning. English is important. I have explained to you. The second thing is that the method of learning. Method of learning in Best English Limited is totally practical. So you can improve your English if you get these 55 videos. I have watched all the videos and I have found out that the videos will give you visualization and you will be able to understand all the videos, all the sentences very well. Moreover, that is one more important thing in Best English Limited, that is the phonetics. And now they explained here that nobody knows about the phonetics. In phonetics, in Hindi it is called, one word is there for phonetics or phonology, that is the Swarsas. Phonetics. I was a teacher there, trainer in Mumbai. I was teaching phonetics. So phonetics is very important because English is a non-phonetic language where written knowledge of English is different from the spoken one. Both are different. But in other languages, whatever you are writing, you have to speak the same thing. But in English, you will have to speak the different thing. There were so many examples were given here. For the example, knowledge. We write knowledge in a different way, but we speak it in different way, knowledge. That's why English is called the non-phonetic language. And only Best English Limited in India. I was the trainer there and I observed that nobody has paid so much attention except Best English Limited. They have included 15 very important videos in the system so you can learn phonetics as well. Phonetics is very important, very necessary because if you go to other countries, suppose you are going to United States or United Kingdom, it will be very difficult for you to understand those people and you will be able, if you speak English, they will not be able to understand because of sound. Because of sound. Like they speak different sound. British English and American English, Indian English. English is spoken everywhere very differently. For example, you are speaking here water, W-A-T-E-R, water. But what do you think? Do the Americans speak the same thing? Same in British English? No, they speak it very differently. Like water. They don't speak water. R is not pronounced at the end of the word. Like father, not father. Okay, father. Father is coming. Mother is going market. Like that. This is the thing that this course will teach you. That's why phonetics is very important. Like many other examples, people learn but sometimes they forget in the schools because they do not repeat it. So repetition is very important in schools. The teacher teaches you one time or two times but cannot teach you many times. But if you get these videos, 55 videos, you can repeat them. And a language is learned through the repetition. The language is learned through the repetition. I don't know what language you speak. I think Marathi. Do you speak Marathi or Hindi? I think most of the people speak here Marathi. No, it is very near to Maharashtra. No. So, how did you learn Marathi? You learned Marathi by repetition. Your mother repeated the same word so many times. Ikde, ikde, ikde. If you speak, listen 100 times, then you will be able to understand the meaning of ikde. Okay. But if you speak only, listen only one time ikde or two times, will you be able to speak it in two times? No. You will have to repeat it. So in this course, in this Best English Limited, you get the videos and you can easily repeat them at your home with your comfort. All of you are listening very well, and I hope all you understand what I am speaking. That's why those people who are able to understand, they are here, and some of them have gone outside. Once I was delivering my lecture in Ahmedabad, and the same thing happened. The people were Gujarati, and they thought he's speaking in English, and so most of the people went outside, and some people remained last 3 or 4 months back. So the same situation happens all over India. What are you thinking? The situation has happened only in your town? No, it happens everywhere. Because I think somebody has explained here only 6% people speak in India. 6%. Everybody doesn't speak English here. I think you belong to some places and some students are English medium. But I think they can write well. Their handwriting is very wonderful. Their reading power is good. They can read very well, they can read the newspaper, they can read the book, they can write the essays, they can understand English and cricket commentary, or they can understand, you can understand my English well. But can you speak? No. Why? What is the reason? The reason is that you have never tried to speak. You have never tried to speak. But I tried. I tried to speak. So I am speaking. The students love to listen my speech for 4 or 8 hours. I was taking the class in Mumbai for 8 hours continuously. 8 hours continuously.